Morning all of you. In continuation of last class, today topic is a uniform motion and non-uniform motion. In last class we discussed motion. If any object change their location with reference point known as a motion. So today we have discussed uniform motion. Uniform motion. Suppose any object, we observe the motion of a moving object which covers 5 meter distance in each second. Suppose 1 second 5 meter, another second फिर 5 meter, another then second, then 5 meter. We observe the motion of any object when equal time cover equal distance. That type of motion is known as uniform motion. The object cover equal distance in equal interval of time. It is said to be in uniform motion. Uniform motion में the object cover equal distance in equal time interval. The motion is known as uniform motion. It said to be uniform motion. 1 second 5 meter, in second again 5 meter, third second in 5 meter. अगर ऑब्जर्व कर रहे हैं कि each second 1 second cover 5 meter. So this type of motion is uniform motion. The object cover equal distance in equal time interval. It's said to be uniform motion. हमने ऑब्जेक्ट की मोशन कैसे की है, 1 सेकेंड में उसकी पोजीशन को हमने नोट किया. तो फर्स्ट सेकेंड में 5 था, फिर फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड सेकेंड के बीच में फिर 5 हो गया, फिर 5 हो गया. इस टाइप से कंटिन्यूअस चेंज हो रहा है. अगर सो दिस इज द यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. द ऑब्जेक्ट कवर इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल is said to be uniform motion. And non-uniform motion, non-uniform we observe a moving car in a pass to the crowded area. So we observe the distance covered by the moving car when passed to the crowded area. In first second cover 5 meter, second cover another first second, मतलब second cover 7 meter, in third second cover 9 meter. So each time cover, each second cover different distance covered by the car, because sometimes find crowded jam एंड सम टाइम फॉर्म ओपन, बिल्कुल लोन कोई भी जाम नहीं है, क्लियर रोड है, देन दे कवर द मैक्सिमम डिस्टेंस. सो इन सेकेंड जो सेकेंड था, देन फॉर्म द 7 मीटर एंड थर्ड सेकेंड में 9 मीटर. सो द डिस्टेंस इज अनइक्वल एंड टाइम इंटरवल इज इक्वल. ईच सेकेंड का हमने इसका कैलकुलेट किया है. टाइम इंटरवल जो होगा इक्वल है, बट डिस्टेंस कवर बाय द ऑब्जेक्ट इज अनइक्वल. सो नॉन यूनिफॉर्म object cover unequal distance in equal interval of time. So the type of motion said to be non-uniform motion. Object cover unequal distance in equal time interval is said to be non-uniform मोशन. यूनिफॉर्म में तो क्या इक्वल टाइम डिस्टेंस थी एंड इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल में कवर हो रही थी, बट इन केस ऑफ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन ऑब्जेक्ट कवर अनइक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल टाइम इंटरवल, इट्स सेड टू बी नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन. एग्जाम्पल क्या था? व्हेन कार इज मूविंग ऑन अ क्राउडेड स्ट्रीट इज अ नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, बिकॉज फर्स्ट सेकेंड में कवर 5 मीटर, सेकेंड में कवर इन 7 मीटर, अनदर 1 सेकेंड कवर 9 मीटर. सो टाइम इंटरवल 1 सेकेंड है, बट डिस्टेंस जो होगी वो अनइक्वल हो रही है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ मोशन इज नोन एज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन, बिकॉज डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट may take different amount of time to cover a given distance. Some of them move fast and some of move slowly. That's why non-uniform motion takes place. If same time interval, equal time interval have unequal distance, then motion is known as non-uniform motion. So one of the way measuring the rate of motion of object is to find out the distance traveled by the object. आप distance जो object की है, so with the help of this distance we find out the speed of the object. So speed means distance per unit time. Distance covered by the object in per unit time is known as speed. So distance upon time is known as speed. The rate of motion of an object is find out the distance traveled by the object in unit time. Quantity referred to the speed. Speed means distance upon time. Rate of motion is known as speed. So speed equal to distance upon time. In case of uniform motion, you find out the speed, distance upon time. But in case of non-uniform motion, we find out the average speed. Suppose car travel first second में 5 मीटर थी, second जो another first second have 7 meter and another third second have 9 meter. So this is the non-uniform motion ना, equal time have unequal distance. So in case of non-uniform motion we find out the average speed. Average speed means total distance covered by object upon total time taken. On the basis of this formula, we find out the speed in non-uniform motion. Non-uniform होगा, then we find out the average speed, total distance covered by the object and total time taken. So total distance covered by the object क्या हो जाएगी इस केस में 5 plus 7 plus 9 and time क्या होगा 1 plus 1 plus 1. तो 3 सेकेंड में कवर क्या कर रही है we add it. And find out 7 meter per second. So average speed find out with the help of total distance covered by the object plus and upon total time taken by the object. With this method you find out the average speed in non-uniform motion. If in case of uniform motion you find out the speed distance upon time. Rate of motion is known as speed. जो rate of motion is known as speed है. Uniform में uniform motion है. So distance equal distance in equal time interval. So you find out like this. And in case of non-uniform motion you find out the average speed of the object. So total distance covered by the object upon total time taken, the find out the like this. So we have to discuss the small some numerical problem based on the speed of the object. Question first you write down the an object travel 16 suppose 18 meter in 3 seconds and another 16 meter in 4 seconds. Find out the average speed of object. Suppose this is a question. ये प्रॉब्लम है कि ऑब्जेक्ट travel 18 meter in 3 seconds and another 16 minute in 4 seconds. Find out the average speed of object. This is non-uniform motion because 18 minute में 3 seconds and 16 minute में 4 seconds. तो non-uniform motion में average speed निकालेंगे. Average speed equal to total distance covered by object upon total time taken. So average speed के लिए आप total distance 18 मीटर प्लस 16 मीटर है. टाइम 3 सेकेंड प्लस 4 सेकेंड ऐड करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू ऐड इट and solve it. Solve it and 8.4 meter per second. Solve कर लेंगे and find out the value. This is the average speed of the object. So you calculate the average speed on the basis of this formula. Average speed non-uniform motion में you find out the average speed, and uniform है तो normal speed distance upon time से, and जो speed है उसकी unit of speed is meter per second और किलोमीटर पर आवर्स. स्पीड की यूनिट जो होगी मीटर पर सेकेंड और किलोमीटर पर आवर.